So today we're going to be demoing setting up a new recipe, a new integration between SendGrid and BILLIVING.com, an invoicing service. So let's see how we go about it. We're going to select here BILLIVING as our trigger. That would be a new invoice. We need an API key here. So at BILLIVING we can go to settings, API integration, our key. Type anything here, your name, and going to be using SendGrid for sending an email. So our key is also available here. You can go to API keys, you can click on this button to create a new API key, give it a name, provide full access and save it. Great. And this generates a template for us for sending out an email. So let's type in the information. I'm going to send it to support at APIGUM, to Josh, subject, that would be new invoice, and let's throw in the ID. All the BILLIVING fields are available here and you can use them. You can also click them and that will automatically replace the placeholder. So from email, I'm just going to use the same one. Name also Josh. These fields I won't be needing them, so I can just comment them out. And if I comment anything here, then I need to delete it from the JSON created below. So let me just remove them. Okay. Content type, text HTML. Okay. And content value, greetings, and new invoice for the amount of event dot, we see event dot total here is now available. And of course you can continue to append other variables as you need. Alright, so now we can save it as a draft if we're not done with it. If we are, we can publish it. So let's publish it. Okay, and now it's ready for running. So let's have a look at BILLIVING first. Let's see what we have here. We have here invoice number 6 for the amount of $7.77. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so we can see here that it last run about a minute ago or less than a minute ago. And voila, we now see that we got this email, new invoice, greetings, and of course you can format it however you need. So our integration script is going to be running every 10 minutes, and whenever there's a new invoice available, we'll get an email through SendGrid. You can check out our website by going into applications, and you can see some of the available recipes that are already coded, and you can just use the copy button to copy them into your account. So just for demonstration, let me type some fake keys here. Now you can see that a new integration, a new recipe has been added to the account. You can edit it. and you can see that the template is already defined here, and you can just edit it the way you need it. We hope you enjoyed this session, and see you at API.gum. Thanks.